Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and today we will discuss how to create important pages like About Us, Contact Us, Sitemap page, Privacy Policy page in Blogger website. So in the last video we have discussed how to customize this Blogger template, and this is the Median UI template. And if you haven't watched this video, then you can watch this video how to customize Blogger template from scratch. So let's start the video. So here go to your Blogger dashboard and here click on pages. So let's create the Contact Us page first. So here click on new page and let me just type Contact Us, and here in this page option you will select readers comment to do not allow. Now you have to add the contact information and you have to add a Contact Us form in this page. So let me just show you how you can do this. So here this is the official documentation. So to add a Contact Us page, you have to copy a code like this. So just copy this code and go to your blog post and here switch to the HTML view. Now you have to paste this code and here you have to paste the Blogger ID. So let me just publish this first, and here this is the Blogger ID. You will see a number after the pages. So just copy this Blogger ID from here and here go to the post and here you have to replace the Blogger ID. Here this is the Blogger ID 000. So here you have to paste your own Blogger ID. Then here you have to change this after 3D. So just select this ID after 3D and paste the Blogger ID. Now here you have to change the Blogger ID here. So just replace this. Then you have to change the ID here. Now you have to change your website URL here, www.yourdomain.com. So let me just select this. So here I don't use the www, but if your website has www, then you can copy here. So just copy this website URL and then here paste it here. So I will select this. Now click on update. Now let's check this page if it is working or not. So let me open this in a new tab. Okay, as you can see, the contact form is added in our Contact Us page. So let's check how you can add a sitemap page to your Blogger website. So here click on new page and here you have to switch to the HTML view. So let me just add this like sitemap, and here in the page of setting click on do not allow comment. Now you have to copy a sitemap code from here. So just copy this and I will leave this sitemap code link in the description. So here paste it. Now here you have to change the website URL. So just go to your website and copy this website URL, and here you have to change it here in the source URL. So this is the website URL. So just change it like this. Now click on publish, click on confirm, and now let's check if the sitemap page is working or not. So here as you can see, the sitemap page is loading, but there is one thing to note that in some cases this sitemap code will not work. So here just go to setting and scroll down, and here you will see an option called site feed. So click on allow blog feed and make sure to check it is set to full, otherwise this sitemap code will not work. And there is one more condition. Go to your blog post and select all blog post and make sure to add a label. So if a single post has not added the label, then this sitemap code might not work. So make sure to fulfill these two requirements, otherwise this sitemap code will not work. So let's go to the pages and let me just select the sitemap. So let's change the styling of this sitemap page. So let me just add a shadow effect in this sitemap box. So I will search for drop shadow CSS and hit search. Now search for the CSS scan website. So I will select this get CSS scan. So here let me just add a drop shadow effect. So I will select the 32 number Now here go to the sitemap page, and here you have to add it. Just find the sitemap box and here add a semicolon and then paste the code. Now let's update this page. Now let's refresh the sitemap page, and here as you can see there is a shadow effect in this box. So in this way you can add a sitemap page and contact form to your Blogger website. So let's check how you can add privacy policy page to your website. So here click on new page and let me add this name to privacy policy. Now you have to copy a code from here. So just copy this code and paste it here in the HTML section. Now switch to compose view, and here you have to change it with your website name. So here this is the website name. So let me just search for website name, and here as you can see you have to change your website name in this field, and here you can add your contact us URL here. So let's publish this page, and your privacy policy is added to your Blogger website. Now you can link these pages to your menu. So just go to the layout section and here click on the menu. So I will select the navigation menu, and here you can add the link of that pages and it will add it to your menu. I hope you got the idea how to create important pages like about us, contact us, privacy policy, HTML sitemap in your Blogger website. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, and if you are new to this channel then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.